Hi, Dover kids. It's time for the second part of hanky juggling. You should have gotten 50 with one, so it's time to move on to two. So I've got my one orange hanky, and it's always nice to have a different colored hanky so I can make sure I am doing it right. If you get good with two hankies or two dish rags or two Walmart sacks, and I mean you do it right, the third stage is actually pretty easy because your muscles will already kind of know what to do. So if you got good with one, you were tossing across and catching down, and then tossing that up and catching it down, and now you're going to do the same thing. So the pattern is toss, toss, catch, catch, and there's a little pause in there. What do you think that pause is for? The third hanky. So here I go. Again, I want to keep my feet still and I want to keep my head in one spot. I can't be looking at these. I want to make sure I'm kind of using my peripheral vision. So it goes like this: toss, toss, catch, catch. Toss, toss, catch, catch. Giving myself nice, plenty of space. I don't ever want to throw them at the same time, and I definitely don't want to keep them really low. I want to give myself extra time, so it's an extension across my body and let that one drop, and then it's an extension across my body and letting that one drop, and catching on the same side on the way down. So I've got the pink one in my right hand and the orange one in my left hand, and when I'm done with my first one, they should be in opposite hands. So it's toss, toss, catch, catch. That's one. Toss, toss, catch, catch. There's two. Toss, toss, catch, catch. Toss across, catch down. Just like before, those palms are pointed down, so I'm tossing like this and I'm catching like this. If I had like a light on my hand and it was dark in here, you would see each hand paint a kind of a upside down triangle. It would go across, and then this hand comes over and grabs down. Next time it goes across, over, and grabs on the way down. And this hand is also creating triangles. So if I had a little laser beam here, you could see my triangles. So again, mastery is 50 in a row while your feet are still and your head is kind of still. Nice high tosses where you kind of get into a rhythm. Again, when you get good at this, you don't really even have to think about it. It just kind of comes naturally because you're tossing to the same spot and you're catching in the same spots. And if you get good at toss, toss, catch, catch with two hankies, it's really not that tough. It's just a matter of how to start your third one, and your arms and hands will already be in the right spot. So it's toss, toss, catch, catch, toss, toss, catch, catch. I always start with the same hand. So I'm always starting with my right. Toss, toss, catch, catch. Again, toss, toss, catch, catch. Again, toss, toss, catch, catch. When I get to 50 in a row, I am ready for three. You got to do the work though, otherwise it will be really, I would say, frustrating. If you don't put the work in and practice, it gets a lot tougher to do three. So good luck with your practice. If you get 50 in a row with two, by golly, click on that next video and we'll learn how to do three hankies. Good luck.